Good afternoon. I'm Anika. I'm currently pursuing my BSc Computer Science with AI degree in SDNB Vaishnav College through FacePrep campus. I'm going to talk about my 1 year journey in this college. Before joining this course, I used to struggle with Python. I used to memorize the code for practicals because I didn't understand it. But after joining the course, my coding skills is developed and I'm improving so much in coding. We used to solve problems in hacker rank so that we are able to do coding on our own and enhance our skills. Like the same way in my communication classes, the first time I used to be very tense and nervous while speaking in front of others, but gradually my nervousness and fear faded away and I started gaining confidence in my speech. Additionally, our mentors used to keep monthly review meetings in which they tell us about our strength and the areas in which we need improvement, which helps me to correct my mistake by myself and is very useful to me. I also participated in many inter-college events, in one of which I have won first prize in debugging competition. It was a proud moment for me as I have never won any prizes before. Furthermore, I had incredible opportunity for attending Microsoft AI Tour in Bangalore, where I had the chance to meet a CEO of Microsoft. Many workshops happened, and I had attended few sessions, which gave me more knowledge. Overall, the journey was transformative, and I would like to enhance my skill to shape a successful future. Thank you.